हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जास्को सेफ्टी वर्ल्ड। जास्को सेफ्टी वर्ल्ड में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट एक्सीडेंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन। दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर निबोस एग्जामिनेशन एज वेल। सो व्हाट इज एक्सीडेंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन, पहले हम ये समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, देन वी मूव फर्दर। एक्सीडेंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन एक सिस्टमेटिक प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम रूट कॉज ऑफ एक्सीडेंट को पता करने की कोशिश करते हैं। वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द रूट कॉज ऑफ एक्सीडेंट, व्हाट कुड हैव हैपेंड, हाउ कुड हैव हैपेंड, क्या हुआ होगा, कैसे हुआ होगा, व्हाट आर द लॉसेस बिहाइंड द एक्सीडेंट, कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्सीडेंट क्या है, what are the direct cost of accident, what are the indirect cost of accident. These all things we try to find out by the process of investigation, and that is called what? That is called accident investigation. We can say it is a systematic procedure to find out the root cause of accident, the main cause of accidents, the unsafe acts, unsafe conditions, person responsible, the cost of accident. All things we try to find out in the process of accident incident investigation. And of course, it is a documented process as well, because we develop a report that is called accident investigation report. So it is a documented as well. Now, why do we investigate? हम investigation क्यों करते हैं? The main reason for the investigation is that it is a legal requirement as well. For legal proceedings, for court proceedings, if there is some criminal act or if there is some, police case, so in that case we require what? We require accident investigation reports from our end as well. And of course, we require accident investigation so that to prevent similar accidents in future. कहाँ पे हम lacking हैं, कहाँ पे हमारी कमियां हैं, why accidents took place, what should be done to prevent these kinds of accidents in future as well. We do accident investigation. Now, the question is that what is the process of investigation? The process of investigation is very simple and very easy, because in the process of investigation, what we do, first we go for we got information about the accident. हमें information मिलती है that some accident has taken place. So what we do, we make a site visit. We make a site visit that at the place where accident has taken place. जहाँ accident हुआ है वहाँ हम जाते हैं, and वहाँ जाने के बाद what we do, we collect some informations. वहाँ पे हम कुछ informations लेते हैं, like what has happened, how it happened, who is the injured persons, what are the damages, what are the losses, a brief information, and we barricade the area and all, and we collect the evidences. If the victim, the injured person, is in hospital, so we try to meet the person, हम मिलने की कोशिश करते हैं, and we take his interview, उसका इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, what were you doing, what happened to you, what were others doing, बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे थे, तुम क्या कर रहे थे, do you have the permit or not, ये सारी बातें हम डिस्कस करते हैं, and we note down the major injuries as well, what are the injuries, we can collect information from the doctor as well about the injuries, what are the injuries. Then we go for the interview some eyewitness, कुछ eyewitness का इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, eyewitness 1, eyewitness 2 इंटरव्यूज उनका हम लेते हैं कि ये क्या कर रहा था, and what happened and all. And if possible we can take interview of some another eyewitness as well, किसी और eyewitness का इंटरव्यू ले लेते हैं. Then we collect some some informations by checking the documents, that whether the worker was trained or not. by कैसे पता चलेगा? By the means of training report. We go through the work permit system, whether the worker was doing with the permit or not, work order or not, was it a contractor worker or a regular worker, part-time worker. We got some information about that as well, and we calculate the severity. Now, on the behalf of this information, what we do, we try to conclude. We can collect some photographs as well. जहाँ पे एक्सीडेंट हुआ है उस जगह का हम कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स भी, स्नैप्स भी ले सकते हैं. We can take the pictures and we can preserve the things what we found from there, like कोई टूटा हुआ tools है, equipments है, PPEs हैं, we can preserve that as a clue, as as a evidence that we can use. Now, on the behalf of all these, we have a small, we have a brief, we have a conclusion that what had happened, what is the root cause of accident. जब हमारे पास रूट कॉज आ जाएगा, देन वी कैन गो थ्रू द रिपोर्टिंग ऑफ द एक्सीडेंट. फिर हम रिपोर्ट बना सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ अ डॉक्यूमेंट. वहाँ पे हम अनसेफ एक्ट्स को, अनसेफ कंडीशंस को, and contributing causes को list of injuries, list of equipments that has been damaged, list of tools, and the cost of accident, either it is direct or indirect, everything, full conclusion is there in the accident investigation report. The interviews will be there, the photographs will be there, the details of tools will be there, training reports, checklist, permits, everything we can include in that. And once the report is ready, what we have to do? We have to communicate the report. हमें रिजल्ट जो आई है, जो फाइंडिंग्स हैं, उसे हमें कम्युनिकेट करना है. टू whom we have to communicate? We have to communicate it to workers. We have to communicate it to the employer. We have to communicate to the top management. We have to communicate to the client, government bodies, maybe police, maybe court, maybe NGOs, locality, the family of the injured person. And of course, the workers, we can communicate by posters, by mail, by TBT, toolbox talk, and by seminars, by meeting, by urgent meeting. We can call an urgent meeting to communicate the accident investigation report as well. We can communicate via our website, by emails, by letters, by journals. This all we can conclude. And we will recommend the employers that you have to do this, that. These are the recommendations by which if you will apply those recommendations, you can prevent the similar accidents by happening in future. हम इससे लड़ सकते हैं, बच सकते हैं. So this is how we do accident investigation. And I explained it very briefly in a very small video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much.